Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another question from, uh, it's a second question of this paper. Now let's go with this. So here a graph is given and few questions based on that. And this graph, this function is f of x ln x e power x plus 1 minus x power 4. And two points have been marked, which is a and b. We need to find it. Then the area enclosed by the graph x-axis and the vertical line x is equal to 2. Yes. So this also we can easily solve this using GDC. Now let's go. So we are going to graph first f of x. Then from this we can fetch the coordinate of b and a. So directly we can fetch, and for total area enclosed by f x-axis and x is equal to 2, again we will do it with graph. First let's complete the first two parts. Here I'm sharing the different screen. Yeah. So first let's graph it. Go for a graph. And my function is ln. So control ln x e power x. Sometimes when we do it with keyboard, it won't accept. It will take it as a constant. So x e power x and then plus 1. Out of this minus x power 4. That's it. So just scroll over. Your f of x is done. Then okay, let's solve this coordinate of A and B. So coordinate of A is actually, it's the maximum, right? So maximum, if you find, that's it you will get. And B, when we see in the question, B is the x-intercept. So here we are going to click menu after giving your graph. And then we have analyze graph. Okay, actually A is acting as a maximum, right? So go for maximum. And your maximum, it is asking for a range. In this question, they have given the range from 0 to 2. So 0, you type anywhere, and then it will ask for upper bound. So you just substitute, type 2. So your maximum is plotted over here. This is your maximum. So we are going to just copy this, and then we can find our coordinate of B, which is go to analyze graph again. A menu, analyze graph, and 0. X-intercept means there is another name 0. And again, it's asked for lower to upper bound. So we are taking it from 0 to 2. Just type it. You got a 0. So these 2 points is our answer. 0 point, okay, this is maximum. And this is the x-intercept. That's simple. Now we can just fill it. So first 2 parts are that simple. X coordinates of A. It's the maximum. And we got 0.709, 0.640. They are asked coordinates, so just complete coordinate form will be here. And this x-intercept is your B. They just ask x coordinate, so that's enough. X coordinate is just 1.1, right? And then total area enclosed by F, x-axis and 2. So my x-axis is here. The graph is here. And x is equal to 2 when you draw, right? So this is the area enclosed by the graph x-axis, this part, also this part, right? So we are going to solve it graphically now. This is the basic idea of this. Let's go to the graph. Okay, we can hide this. These are not needed. Right. Now, what is the graph is drawn? So again, we need to click the tab. You can give the next graphs. So other is x-axis. X-axis equation is y is 0. So y means f2 of x equals 0, and your y-axis is covered. The next step is x is equal to 2. Right? So you draw that line x is equal to 2. We can't use the same thing. For x is equal to 2, we need to go for the menu and then graph entry edit. So you got a relation. Just equation templates, then line, And you need a vertical line because it's x is equal to 2. Okay, that won't work in a normal function form. So x is equal to 2 is my line. And that's it. So you got x is equal to 2 and yeah. So that's it. Now, okay. So here we have 1 is missing, our f. f2 of x is missing. So f1 of x, f2 of x is actually 0. And x all came into the picture. Now you can see the area and bounded by this. So go to the menu and analyze graph, then the bounded area of this. And again, it will ask for graph 1, graph 2. So this is my graph 1. Then it will ask you for the second graph. Don't select the vertical line, right? Then lower bound, upward bound. We are solving this entire question from 0. So 0 is the lower bound and upward bound is 2. That's it. So this is your 4.61, right? This is your, this 4.61, can you see? That is their area covered. And that's simple. We got it. Now you can directly sketch this and show this, and you can write your answer. It's 4.61. Yeah. Here, if you just understand the basic terms of the functions, we can easily solve this. That's it. The second question is that simple. Yeah. So thank you.